Hey everyone, welcome back to the last weekly scripture reading of February for Seek First Today. We are in the book of Matthew still. If you guys have been following along, we are doing the 30-day today challenge, which is a handful of different things, but we're reading a book of Matthew every day. If you want to find out more about that challenge, make sure to follow our socials down below and look at the website where it goes into the details of this. But it's been super fun and super exciting. And so I really love this verse that we have this week and this morning. And so this comes from Matthew chapter 25, and it's verse 21. Okay, and again, this is the ESV. It says, "His master said to him, 'Well done, good and faithful servant. You have been faithful over a little, and I will set you over much.'" And to give some context of this is the parable of the talents. And this is where the master is essentially praising the servant for being faithful over the little that they had. It didn't matter how many talents that the master gave them. They were faithful and stewarded the talents that they were given as best as they could. And so I really love this verse because it's, talking about stewardship here, but it's just a beautiful depiction of how, God is looking for us to be faithful over whatever we have, right? Be faithful over our abilities, our finances, our body, the friends, the relationships in our life, our job, right? God is wanting us to be faithful over whatever we have. And I think that if we steward what we have the best that we can to our ability, I believe God is honored through that. And I believe that God will see that. And that is something that pleases him. And so I really love this verse. I hope that it encourages you this week. And if it does, leave me a comment down below. But I will see you guys on the next weekly scripture reading.